Summer planning can be daunting for moms and educators, endless activities, keeping kids engaged, and a never-ending to-do list. But what if there was a magic tool to make it all easier? Introducing Canva Sheets, your summer planning superpower. With Canva Sheets, use Bulk Create to design activity cards, trackers, and certificates in minutes. It is easy and quick to generate unique activity cards instantly, tailored to your child's age or classroom needs. Today, you will learn how to create 15 math activity cards in under 10 minutes using Bulk Create feature of Canva. In this video, we will walk through 3 tasks. 1. Build a simple card with 3 text blocks, import a CSV with data, and apply Bulk Create option to fill the cards. If you want to follow along, please join with your computer. On Canva homepage, click File, Create New Design. Select Custom Design. Select In from this dropdown. Enter 4 and 6 in width and height input boxes. Create New Design, and it will bring a 4x6 size canvas. Press T on your keyboard, and a text box appears. Type Title. Choose a font style. Again, press T, type Prompt. Adjust font size. Select another font style. Adjust orientation. Add one more text for Hint. This is a very simple card, just adding 3 texts on a white simple card, because this demo is to show how Canva Bulk Create automatically syncs data from a CSV. Once the template is ready, go back to option File, Create New Design. Select Sheet. You will see a new sheet and also a bunch of templates. Click somewhere in the sheet, as we want to bring in our own CSV, which is filled with data. When you are in Canva Sheet Design, you will see a different toolbar on top. Choose Actions from that top toolbar. Select Import Data. On the left, you will see Upload Data option. See, it gives different options like XLSX and CSV. Click Upload Data, select the CSV. Canva will upload it and show it in Designs in left sidebar. Click the sheet and select Replace Current Page. Okay, now you can see the data in our Canva sheet. However, these data in each column shows extra double quotes. That's unnecessary. Well, let's try Ask Canva. Click Ask Canva. See the input box? You can type your wish here. Let's ask to remove unnecessary quotes. Well, it has started working. And yeah, the data is cleaned correctly. Now, go back to Actions option in Toolbar. Browse to find Bulk Create. Select and click Bulk Create. Enter data range, like click on A1 and C17. Click Continue. Now it will ask to choose your template to apply all these data. Select the one you created specifically for this. The next options are to match data and template fields. For this design, click Auto Match Fields. 3 fields from CSV are linked to 3 text fields on card template. Well, that's magic. Click Advanced Options on left sidebar. Select file name and location to store. And all that's. We can see all 15 cards ready in 5 minutes. Magic!